Yewuram kakra na afi yaba yetime aba be di efie enso ensem. Jude, good morning.
Good morning, bro.
Na obeyin pomo ya de.
Nyame adom mpai bo akra. Onu na me ododo me ani ahoma.
Sa
yes, na enye easy cry. Sa fatilo friend me cry na me voice cry.
Ye de nyame asese.
Yeah, adwuma de asem o my God.
Obeye ndey.
Exactly. You got no choice. So we adwuma.
Okay. Yewuram kakra minim baabi ade e befa Matthias kakra e wo ho ne ade ana aja tomato tutor ni 17 no yeni nkoma.
Yes, bro, me that say me pese me fa story bi a otia areho but probably say oye obi a support Liverpool. Any omo per competition there, then obviously what is our story now, definitely you'll be very much elated.
Okay.
So I've heard that story. Make about one of the most personalities are in terms of football, BBR or the amount, Pep Guardiola. Bro, me say Pep Guardiola owns a story no eba yache. And in fact, it started from even last season. So
last season,
fair play. Yes, Guardiola was very much explicit. Also, on also he's an honest person. Also, on the udili, no one say on your honest. Obeja wako. To make a side period, no. He kept reechoing the fact say on him say Man City impending for no NID BBR. The only kind of transactions also omo the pepe. To himself have financial fair play rule. And Man City.
But when him kakra for mami.
Matia Minia. And the Omani clear. Says so who saw more the near Mercy and na Omani Anesta or the Jumani Beto. And at that point, I think it even started from last 2 seasons. So at that point, I kept asking myself, so Guardiola, Ejumana or yeno, what brother than an open basis and I excuse be at the action. But the point is that one channel, because that time, no, Nanka Bellamy to a moment to mean talk even players. So, say, Osha financial fair play, no, not, and someone at the Baba particularly said, I'm an acquire on 2 players, not clearly beyond the other sanctions now, and yeah, no, maybe discuss here. Now, me assure say definitely, Obe to me allude to the fact say Guardiola be Jumana, not sad never count. But when Jumana, what's now about the pim and son all step it down. Now, bro, all step it down and see a baby achievement and my account. But all step it down and so unima dear, me fair about Guardiola. I very rare say who our managers be brave. All step it down, one step it down, say, all free Man City entirely, all no more every Patriotia say. Patro, what check it role now a day, Amano. Oh, Man City no. Or the global football ambassador. Into no bit of faster technical advice no at the mom. So that should tell you, say, hey, be a man for betting me read a lot of meanings into Guardiola and step it down. But it is very much obvious, say, Guardiola, any Man City impending for any problem. Because what here for Soriano, then someone Orca, now Utie Caldon Al Mubarak, and someone Orca, BBR near chairman for the club. Now Utie Soriano, no near CEO now. BBA di adanse pefe say Guardiola departure a home. But omonim say and yes on the club no awie. Maybe are sitting on the bench as the manager. I was England a manager or no discuss or salary, player and salary or manage players aka or no new coach. Say ya no man club na nkasa ebeto players or 20 players we are audience just coach them. And tesa as the manager no all yes adwuma. No but of technical support or advice no behind the scenes how our team no also almost structure how also near or big place key role no. And you know at least I am happy for one thing.
Okay.
Say Guardiola on it team no jai no jai say issues na aba because trust you me with the kind of records are why I beba so nan ko ni team no party ways. Nan komo party ways was our relationship ankenye. Now idea about kwana me bisa me unye. There's one thing about Pep Guardiola, sana man for omo except Bayern Munich. Okay, say Guardiola time na offer Barca team no. At a point, it was offer Barca team no. It was a team of Frank Rijkaard period no. Okay, do baby indiscipline na S13 to the team. Okay, the issue of Samuel Eto'o and Ronaldinho. Sa issues ni na ba say Ronaldinho crowd dey okoko fa a right card e baba. So okay, sa issue na e baba be issue kese pa. So Orban na indiscipline asset into the team. Till they do baby Samuel Eto'o so obekaya. Omo ye so mu ja ne kwan. But because of the kind of contract na on it Barcelona any sikasem ninti no mu ja ne kwan enye yi. Because until player na anka no by FIFA man until player no only betena se aka na player na be gia tum say or kono only no running contract I just say no what you are the remaining contract e dia man
which is one very huge.
That's the point. That time na Eto'o was one of the highest paid players wo we are say now onim Guardiola buy na or stamping your authority obekaya ono na ye say players say omo ekwa internet ni adi na obi any right say okọ say or access internet me so kai say stories ni na and no decided say or the team bonding eba or buy now stamping the authority yehu the leveler or the Barca ekoi to the point that omoje quintuple in world football e BNC da Guardiola any the first manager where side you know or yeah or Barca but they got to a point as Jose Mourinho the special one eba befa Real Madrid. Real Madrid that period no na enyem asase edge good mo no Mourinho buy so kai 100 points na obaba benya with Real Madrid and the kind of competition I feel na Odema Guardiola and Guardiola a free Barca so among force say read a lot of meanings say Guardiola competition okay Jose Mourinho or your interview be was Spain or you know say Guardiola e dear friend a protected garden or environment. Okay, say interview na. No, say Guardiola no MP competition. Say oya Bema said your new Jose Mourinho no akwa fa Inter Milan no nyina. Aba EPL de Chelsea. E baba beji EPL na Chelsea nji bi da. O ko ye okoko fa Inter Milan. E de omo eje sa treble ni nyina no. Say Guardiola no say Bema onye bisa. Okay. O say so ogini hu di pass o ye manager. Within that period Guardiola e free ho. I'm not trying to say Jose Mourinho and my Guardiola free. Okay. But Osha circumstances said you're now for Real Madrid. It's me and the Barca ejina ho toe to toe. Now on a Barca air compete. Now within that period, no Guardiola eja Barca ho. Obeti I say at a point he felt that virtually now we winning BB and there was winning. Hence there was no motivation. Obeti I pick it from that perspective. Obeti me far from the angle say apparently onya competition in Jose Mourinho the special one. Afe no na Madrid asase compete with Barca no. E kan ho na ma oja ho. Okay. And go pay mu buying. But also because certainly say Okoba be say Germany there's virtually no competition whatsoever. It's always been about buying. It has always been a walk in the park, a stroll in the park for them. Omo no be an compete. Nti e honom no obetimi aye de opebia. Bro, and no ba EPL. Into who say na Germany yamfa say Guardiola. Bundesliga ni yamfa nye assessment. Obia ka say the raw Guardiola ni ebehu na ye the EPL. Because you so Obia who between compete buying with their resources. The golfing class between Bayern and the rest of the class, no, is very huge. And no ba EPL. Our first season, you who said you nisu ebri na went to EPL title. And man, okay say. Oni obi to say Messi won the team num. Okay, so make his comment no. So oni obi say Messi won the team num. Into went me and title no na near man fa. We should understand. And sana subsequently also to near me. Now within that period, we get 5 Premier League titles. We winning a lot of titles. Yes, I 6 crowd good. Bro, within that period, we winning 20 trophies. Now, Sir Ofa Guardiola said the first person that win EPL title for Man City was Manuel Pellegrini. Now, Manuel Pellegrini, Yanka said it is on record, only the first non-European or EPL title. EPL title, no. Now, Europeans, na eje. No, be any honor, on European, or EPL. Until Manuel Pellegrini, yes, Adian. So Pellegrini Emma City Baba Behun Hawa is City okay that final day game against QPR. It was so interesting. Bro, Sir Ufa Guardiola within this period, you'd ask yourself, say, why na achievement Guardiola ababenya ediama Man City no? Obetimi ababenya sa achievements libi. Ade ba ko abebisa ho because say o share including the treble or J with Man City. Waje Champions League, waje like virtually we winning
every important title be waje.
Every important title be ano. Guardiola aje. Now say o share sa period na. Okay 2017-2018 100 and your oye no. 100 points on your Premier League. No. Apart from that, or sounds so a record be okay 106 goals now Man City no be a be or no see recorded the most away wins 32 wins and on your away. Bro, say Osha even points difference gap now biggest goal difference and the points difference no that was 79 plus and then points difference of 50. Say Osha side period now papa na dia why our football mono. And especially EPL and EPL no obia jene say for EPL they want for FIFA yanko
because they were paying for
because all their killers they
go pain
perfect and what their boy pain because all for EPL because of almost sika semunti no EPL no obekọ no udi agra keto akra no ebetia and the honum managers no omo jene pa tactically omo good pa because all say offer Spanish Primera Liga for instance unimba obesha La Liga na about flair o express it but EPL obetimi abobo ni nyina obi bebo just 10% bo obesha intini anim say EPL no ni be use as the basis e dey access Guardiola yi but bro EPL no so ba yen so e no so no virtually we win wabu bia within a 10-year period on kwa EPL title 6 and to say no assemble pa na obetimi akade afa ne ho a obeka on say ebimo empenasem by ebia ni nature say or trainer. But there's one good thing I love about Guardiola. So in spite of all the achievements I can want see me, Guardiola on take the negative stories what's the idea? On yes I man on say trust you me the Jose Mourinho na yes I record here ya. By now nanke we see put you me.
And then Zando kra nkadia Zando kra be
because first no edru baby no na dia na Jose Mourinho e de kasa na ode guy go Guardiola so ne say me the Inter Milan age Champions League me the omo je treble me including the Champions League me the omo eche and I'm beside the FC Porto mind you Champions League winning the Champions League sad no year with FC Porto no FC Porto became the first club over more than 20-30 years not unfalling within the top 10 richest clubs in Europe. Oh, Jay. It's not a guy, no, say me the potaje, and I made the intown so I didn't 2 year Bama. Would they say Bassanado or Maji? Free South territory, no, or before Frocogena Moose or a champion. And yes, I know, okay. And no, the Man City in Swababeje. And to Akua Noatum, because in terms of major titles for now, was show. Don't but so I'm a point to me. And to get you like you'll be and can within the past 20 years. Bro, there's no manager Bianca Walker in terms of success or successes within that period, in that context. So we're achieving more than Guardiola at club level. So of course, Ebio Befa Zuzu Zinedine Zidane by virtue of the fact that the 3 Champions League titles are or the Real Madrid, AJ. But all the Guardiola, the other trophies near them, FM. Inti that man, the respecter Guardiola commanded and wedding. But your BBC says so. Is it because a certain Mikel Arteta and sway in it on one akora? Where in it because we share the Arsenal now offer Arsenal over the past 3-4 seasons. Arsenal level and all. Now share the United no so as here with United.
Michael
Carrick and so as here yeba. Now share Liverpool so say certainly next season. Anonsu beba mupana. Also clearly because first no EPL and near cano. Now it was Arsene Wenger and then Sir Alexander Chapman Ferguson and normal Omolek. And to do baby cry boring kakra. But say no, you would have about 3 or 4 teams almost competing for the league title. Is it because of said here and Yamasha say Kona Guardiola shows say no. Reality I don't on him say Charlie. Let me step down. And now say sad decision or take it yatse and on him said the right decision for him because Guardiola this season say oh can I say well, okay Drew baby I bet you so bet me make a case for Guardiola say no broken heart e ka ho I am just being very Guardiola na broken heart can uns abrofo do na ehu chen ye de no se broni do out na kuma new years ni bibia etime me kai say time na results enya forthcoming no na me catch obi say Guardiola broken heart ha no tiem say time na or recover free ni broken heart no no Guardiola na enim no ye sha siesie ehu no na wonya expected results but that time no na akwa say a case of too little too late into Guardiola. So, I feel that he's achieved enough, and our brain and hands on pet set or belly was our touchline pressure near the but bro, trust you me, or your manager, or your signings with your sporting director. I'm more identify talent, more your signings, no. O Krona will some manage players. If I show them, I say, oh, surgery tactics, and in your account. Players pressure, the bro. Yes, he's young, but is it because he feels that Charlie? Apart from say we achieve a lot no pressure on so wabre make a broken heart you cry no on say them free mu hence some pressure no person a drop it down kakra and san was into mainstream coaching and what are the factors who say I kept asking myself because say sika samwa Guardiola e buy no mind you over EPL no man Man City I spend it Guardiola period. No?
Yeah, you're willing to buy any player.
Perfect. And factors when Ankebet me militate against Guardiola na Ankasan willingly. Empenyum for Empamono was media juma air tour.
So we be two questions are no pay.
Yes.
As it that reality now Mourinho cocaine be no.
Yes.
I was paying no.
Yes.
Ebi na set in. And now say sisi no Pep Guardiola fees a press and a doors.
Yes.
And say minya rest e de mame hoana.
Perfect.
That's the question.
Sanya manana bro Macho what has
Matthias.
Yes, inti but the point is offer in reality the general picture and you're good for the EPL. The EPL because Guardiola is one of the coaches where the kind of and the achievements and the level of EPL no aircon. Say and particularly making a case for foreign coaches and not just about England and Casa de that almost so one Casa managers and Casano yesa and Guardiola and so by him what's mukina inti if you say football ebe lucy adie Guardiola yes the own creative controversies as Jose Mourinho ebe create ediamao he's a fine persona ojina touchline said there or any niema how be remonstrate or touch line and he said you city any achievements and the message will Man City be able to sustain the achievement of Pep Guardiola? It is extremely difficult, bro. Getting to the top is not as difficult as maintaining it. So inside there, bro. And to pay the level, the pedestal, the pedigree of Pep Guardiola and the Man City aqua Juno. So on bet me sustain this idea na. And whoever comes in to replace Pep Guardiola, on himself pressure part the money panel.
Yeah, big pressure.
Huge gap na ababa beto. Huge gap and abeto. So I know na abana so manager. I know na Sir Alexander Chapman Ferguson after free Manchester United no.
Bra besine.
That's the point. So say huge gap na ababa beto no. Sempanyimfo nso anya abotre. Na offer manager bia na suddenly as a expect said the Guardiola they bar on board no. Open is her. One shall be pamo managers upon managers. A bad day so being the right person. But so say, look, this is the level we've gotten to. Yes, we would need to maintain that level, but the reality is that for now, no, you be break even players, even bonding. Though Mijitum say do baby, Guardiola and some of the players even had issues. Meaning no. But generally, Obia and Natsinaho as a father figure, regardless of issues, baby. Now suddenly all Babeko. Who is Sir Alexander Chapman Ferguson can same way say or said that all three Manchester United were my players now who say okay the last season now after Robin van Persie RVP a free Arsenal we felt say Charlie Sikano ye China see both season you be for free hence no see Jaya e man call United or Boamo edges highlight title no okay so Ferguson can say all three were my players now way because no him say so mo ya wa e be affect almost psyche.
The same thing happened to Pep.
Perfect.
I would just sit in pain for us. I didn't know my leak in the Bible.
No. On him say naturally that side. It doesn't mean Ayala were for instance as the head of sports.
Yeah.
Now who say Ebia well Lucy Ayala. Yes, you're a professional, you'd work.
Yeah.
But because of the bonding, the chemistry, the telepathy, I'm building over a period. No. Oh, say aya naturally we nipa. Perfect.
Yeah.
And for now, to Man City or say almost per psychologist before the season even gets underway. A man is psychic players ni ye pa because Sanya man bro. So why you careful pe? Almost a bad being effect on the team.
Even a been 2 chairs, yeah. Your match is in our say.
Good.
Yeah.
And here the also almost shiny ye.
Okay.
But man, no dear, how many say Man City at a point. Nan Kobe am fa omo onyawe. Show back Benjamin wari more time no. Omo place age crowd Epiola. Uzana Robinho babe guy from Obeka Robinho for instance Ebano. No onim say Man City no cool. No onim say Chelsea. Because that time Man City no bia. On say show the brand Man City about 20 years ago, 15-20 years ago. Now ushe the level of Man City
arise here
bedru be a Guardiola di omodru yes me jitu me started from Manuel Pellegrini who say make am so only the first non-European or GEPO but ushe the level of di omokwa drew the brand na me assure sanke ye ne and Robinho no Real Madrid and a mini na to flight mu ba na emra na oba England no nim say Man City na oba eye na onim sanka enha ne kra anka enha na nko the speed impo ne beba because of the brand. But that time, because of brand, no ever for Muntino. Robinho no who say Man City for na affair or Babedro who say and yet Chelsea no rather or Man City no. No, yeah. Because no one will be at that time, okay, Elano Bloomer, any Jomo. No, with me, guy, the chairman City. But Charlie, the level of my rise here by Bedru, especially under Pep Guardiola. Bro, trust you me. Whoever will be taking over from Pep Guardiola no. Extremely difficult so bet me and maintain your best sustain this level no probably ako even beyond that especially with the level I say EP on Munsuko said the Arsenal peja last season we about Champions League semi-finals this season we about we do Champions League finals so Beji on Gio now hear the consistency of Arsenal apeja United and so there's a tendency so almost no next season you've been with different United altogether. Chelsea is super in near me.
Well,
it's sad for world football.
Okay,
one of the most revered managers, Eja Ejuman Hosa period.
Okay,
of course, as human, Edru Bedia, I can Adibia was Sibian. And where we
it's another cycle so shall say
exactly.
So we say, you have a foreign friends, Yana, Yamrefina, Yemedin Koma.